5 PC cleaning mistakes you should avoid. Here's 5 PC cleaning mistakes you should avoid. 1. Use so-called PC cleaning tools. Credit, How to Geek at http://bit.ly/2ynakl PC cleaning apps are a scam, here's why, and how to speed up your PC. 2. Clean up the registry editor. 3. Delete system folders such as C:/Windows, C:/System32 and pagefile.sys. You don't know. Four. Defrag your hard drive, i.e., SSD. For advanced users only, see https://zd.net/2vx8bcv. How to securely erase hard drives, HDDs, and solid-state drives, SSDs. And http://bit.ly/2m4nalz 6 things you shouldn't do with solid-state drives. 5. Remove laptop/computer branded software.